Okay guys, I'm gonna upload this very quickly to YouTube always from now on, okay, because this is way better quality. Just pay attention. I mean it. You guys need to pay attention with me, okay? Let's go. Let's do this very, very quickly. This is gonna be subwaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s going upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 going upwards like that, okay? So this is the 5 waves that's definitely being broken upwards. Now we're searching for a C coming down, okay? We're searching for a C coming down that can be subdivided easily, and we always stick to the time frame that we see it most visible, okay? So we can easily see right here, guys, that the 5 waves are coming down this way right here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? And they all subdivide very nicely on lower time frames. And then what we see as well is that we see the ABC easily subdivide here as well. Now I tweeted this last night, guys. You guys gotta pay attention to my technical analysis. If I'm on a roll, you guys pay attention, okay? I tweeted this last night right there, okay? That where was it? Right there. Check that out, man. That we were gonna hit 603, and this was the risk to reward setup for a 4.5% gain. And guys, we ended up hitting with flying colors. Last night, take a look at the high, the H right there, we hit 603.8. You gotta admit, that's pretty impressive, guys. Therefore, and how did I know that? Because I always target a very conservative level at the 382 and very much so assume a dead cat bounce. And because I assume a dead cat bounce always, I've got a really high probability of hitting it all the time. And check that out. We just punctured the 382 range, okay? And right now, we're fighting for this reason. Oh, no, don't do that. Come on. Jeez, I don't like it when this happens. It happens all the time. Oh, I hope it didn't actually change it back. Don't tell me it actually changed it back. Come on. Oh, man, it always does this. Okay, here we go. I can load up Philakone. But it's still white. You guys see that? It's still white. This is so funny. How this changes everything to dark. Okay, let's see if I can change this one to Philakone. It only changes the one to Philakone. Is that so funny? I gotta change all of them to Philakone then. Just give me a second, guys. It takes time. No. It's so irritating. I don't even know how the heck I change it to black by accident sometimes. Or to white, rather. But I gotta do this all the time to TradingView. It's actually really irritating. Okay, there we go. Let's do this. Now I gotta save it again. You just need to click here if you guys don't know to save, right? You don't even need to like click anywhere else. Okay, anyways, let's go back to BCH right here. Okay, so then we got the 5 waves coming down here. And then I'm gonna actually change this as well to the wick. I always like to choose the 5th one right there. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apply to all. Save it. Right there, perfect. Okay, so now that we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we see ABC going upwards right here, I'm led to believe that we're searching for a 5th wave coming down right now. 1, 2, 3, somewhere there, 4, and there's gonna be a 5 somewhere, right? And in my personal opinion, the 5th wave is gonna be right here. That's where I'm gonna be longing it. Okay, so if you take a look right here, first of all, take a look at this fib extension, right? This fib extension right here is actually amazing. It probably did a 1-to-1. Bam, 1-to-1 hit exactly with a really long wick. So therefore we're searching for a 4th wave, and the 4th wave is most likely to be a Fibonacci retracement of just this specific structure right here. I'm guessing to around the 382 level. Yeah, 382 makes sense because if you look at the 382 level, it also happens to be in line with the interim resistance right around there, right? Right around that range there from 3 in the morning, that's where the resistance was. And there's also a lot of resistance to break up from there. So if we just make these simple deductions, so think of trading like just making a series of deductions, okay? you're making a series of deductions and you're logically trying to think about what has a higher probability of happening and why as well. So we're seeing it face a lot of resistance to go down, which is also the same thing as saying support, right? So we're searching for a 4th wave right now going upwards, right around here somewhere, I'm guessing, right around there. Okay, and then we're going to search for a 5th wave coming down. And how do we search for a 5th wave coming down? Easy. In my opinion, we're probably going to hit the 1618 fib region, which also means that hold on, let me just go back out, okay? Yeah, actually this seems about right, like something like that. So now let's say we actually take a look at the Fibonacci extension right here. So take a trend-based Fib extension. What we see is 1-to-1 right here, right? Which is hitting with flying colors. Therefore, it's very logical to assume that the fifth wave could possibly hit the 545 range. I don't see any other way to deduce this, right? And let's actually see how this is going to play out. This is actually incredibly interesting so far. Let's see if this is going to make some sort of play like that, right? Who knows? It might even make like a fifth wave or some sort. But you guys have to acknowledge that this thing literally dropped to 1% in a 1 minute candle. Or sorry, dropped 3% like in a 1 minute candle pretty much. Which is kind of a heavy drop, right? So you see the sell-off volume there? I didn't actually catch it at all. But now we just simply got to wait for it to see how this is going to unfold. So I'll keep you guys updated throughout the day. Bye!